Hello and welcome, Namaskar, and you are watching a very special show on Raksha Bandhan. And अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि एक पर्सनल फाइनेंस शो में what are we doing और what are we going to talk about रक्षा बंधन और राखी, समय आ गया है मैं आपको बताऊं कि मैं एक आपको बहुत ही अनोखे भाई बहन की जोड़ी से मिलाने वाली हूं. The reason why I'm saying this is every time you'll be seeing people talking about gifting your sister a very smart financial gift, but then what about sisters telling us or telling you about how have they been gifted so far, और वो भी एक जानी मानी शख्सियत जो कि भाई के तौर पे हमारे साथ आज बैठे हुए हैं. Let's welcome a very special sibling. I have Ashish Somaya with me and his very sweet sister Nehal Bhimjani from the US joining us. Thank you so much both of you. और आशीष को हम सब जानते हैं, फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड का बहुत जाना माना नाम है. नेहल यूएस में फार्मा क्षेत्र में काम करती हैं एंड जिंदगी के बहुत सारे ऐसे अहम पहलू हैं जिन पर बारीकी से समझ रखती भी हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बोथ ऑफ यू फॉर टेकिंग टाइम आउट फॉर दिस इंटरेक्शन. एंड फॉर अ चेंज आशीष, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बिगिन विथ यू, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ नेहल. और नेहल, मुझे आपसे जानना है जो मैं आपसे पहले भी पूछ रही थी. सो 1 to 10 आशीष को एज अ ब्रदर क्या रेटिंग देंगी आप?
10 on 10.
10 on 10. This is unfair, yaar. Come on, be real, be real. Okay, I think that's what we do as sisters. But having said that, रक्षाबंधन बहुत खास होता है, बहुत अनोखा त्योहार है और भाई बहन का एक लौता ऐसा त्योहार है जो विश्व में मेरे ख्याल से कहीं नहीं बनाया जाता, सिर्फ भारत में बनाया जाता है. सो आशीष, देखिए जिंदगी के अलग अलग पड़ाव होते हैं, जैसे कि यू नो वी टॉक अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स ऑल्सो आशीष, वी हैव डिफरेंट लाइफस्टाइल फेजेस, लाइफ साइकिल्स होती हैं. भाई बहन का रिश्ता भी मैच्योर होता है ना. अब आप दोनों दुनिया के पूरे ग्लोब के अलग अलग एक्सट्रीम्स में रहते हैं, इतना टाइम डिफरेंस है. रिश्ता कैसे इवॉल्व हुआ, कुछ यादें रक्षाबंधन की बताइए मुझे कि फिलहाल आपका और नेहल का भाई बहन के तौर पर रिश्ता कैसा है. क्योंकि एक समय ऐसा आता है जो कि बीइंग अ सिस्टर, इवन आई एक्सपीरियंस, सिस्टर बिकम्स योर फ्रेंड, शी बिकम्स योर मेंटर, शी बिकम्स एवरीथिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, यू नो, इन दैट वे. माता पिता की जगह कहीं ना कहीं बहन ले लेती हैं. कैसा है आपकी लाइफ में नेहल के साथ?
Yes, so she's a second mother. Obviously, I have a mother, and she's a second mother because I lost my dad when I was a kid. So my sister has actually played a big role in raising me. So and elder sisters are always like your second mother. They are protective. और हमेशा जब भी बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है जब आप इनका सहारा लेते हो, एडवाइस लेते हो. सो यस, शी इज अ मेंटोर.
जब आप दोनों साथ में बड़े हो रहे थे और क्योंकि आप एक बड़ी बहन हैं तो हमेशा क्योंकि आप उस रोल में थी वेयर यू वर अ सेकंड मदर टू हिम, तो उनका ख्याल रखना, उनको बताना सही गलत के बारे में, ये सीख तो आपने दी होंगी. हाउ डिड दैट हैपन?
Generally, he is a very mature person, so दोनों मिलके बातें करते थे. So I don't see कि कोई मैंने उसको mentoring करी हो इस तरह से कि financial से बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay. So Nehal, now let's talk about gifts because वो जानने में हम सबको बहुत दिलचस्पी है, मुझे भी और हमारे दर्शकों को भी. ठीक है, तो अब क्या-क्या गिफ्ट्स आपको मिले हैं अब तक?
The most precious one that I have received was, I think he was about 9 years old and I was 13. हम दोनों में 4 साल का करीबन फर्क है. So तभी मैं थोड़ी बड़ी हो रही थी and you always want things for yourself like a small purse हो, थोड़ा मेकअप चीजें हो वैसे. So उसने पैसे जोड़ के he went with my father to the market and got me an ivory colored purse which would match with all my clothes. So for a young child who was just 9 years old or 10 years old at that time to actually save up the money, not buy a toy for himself, not buy any candy for himself and buy something for me was so beautiful and so precious. I was pleasantly surprised.
आशीष, अब जब भी आपसे बातचीत होती है, we always talk about finances, we always talk about investments. Have you ever thought of, giving a financial gift to Nehal, or maybe she doesn't need it, but maybe you ever thought that let me just wear that wealth manager hat for her and let me just guide her? कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
फाइनेंशियल मैटर्स और मार्केट्स और खास करके स्टॉक्स और रियल एस्टेट कंटिन्यूअस डिस्कशन होता है. एक्चुअली काफ़ी साल से, मेरे ख्याल में 15 साल से ऑन एंड ऑफ डिस्कशन होता है इसके बारे में. और मैं भी इनको बताता हूँ जब भी यूएस में, अगर इंडिया में इनकी कोई सेविंग्स हैं तो पूछते हैं मुझे कि भाई कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, बैलेंस एडवांटेज में करना चाहिए, इक्विटी में करना चाहिए. तो ये ऑनगोइंग डिस्कशन है एक्चुअली.
तो आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड। भाई होने का धर्म और कर्म नेहल यहाँ पर दोनों जो है बखूबी निभाया जा रहा है, सो हैट्स ऑफ ओवर देयर। बट देन कुछ तो होगा शिकायत के तौर पर नेहल जो कि बोलना चाहती होंगी आप, बिकॉज नो वन इज सो परफेक्ट। ठीक है, ये हम सब जानते
इससे है
हैं।
ना,
हाँ
इससे फोन पे बात करवा लो, आप फोन करो इससे, देखो कितनी बार बात करता है आपसे। He just for somebody who is such a lovely orator who can
Yeah.
communicate to people mass, and in a language which they understand, ये फोन पे बात नहीं करता है। हम जब मिलते हैं तो इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें होती है, फिर जब भी हम दोनों अलग हो जाते हैं तो then the conversations go for a toss because he doesn't like talking on the phone, so that is a complaint that I have with him.
व्हाट्सएप पे चैट कर लेंगे और इसके एवज में कोई फाइनेंशियल गिफ्ट मंगवा लो, लेकिन हर फोन पे मत बात करवाओ यार। मतलब इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन द फोन। माय फेवरेट मेमोरी, मतलब गिफ्ट, मुझे याद है एक्चुअली, मुझे ये आइवरी पर्स वाला बिल्कुल पता ही नहीं, मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ, मेरे को याद भी नहीं है अभी, बिकॉज इट इज लाइक
Oh my
40
God.
years old. I am
You
49 now,
shouldn't
so
have
she's
said that. Now
40 years
नेहल
old.
अच्छा आपको याद भी नहीं था।
नहीं, मैं अभी 49 साल का हूँ, वो 40 साल पहले की बात कर रही है।
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
सो बट एक्चुअली जो मेरी फेवरेट मेमोरी है, जब मेरी इंजीनियरिंग फिनिश हुई तो मैंने जॉब करना स्टार्ट किया था। तो तब मेरी तनख्वाह थी 3,000 रुपया कुछ। और आपको जान के आश्चर्य होगा कि तब वो टाइटन की नई वॉच लॉन्च हुई थी।
Okay.
तो मेरी फर्स्ट सैलरी करीब करीब पूरी एक वॉच लाने में चली गई थी। 1998,
That's so sweet.
1997 actually.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is the most expensive gift I have ever given her compared to my status or stature. It was one month's entire salary at that time.
Our viewers are also watching you. आपको सुन भी रहे हैं। नेहल, शुरुआत आप ही से करूंगी। Something that you want to tell them, maybe something about life or maybe a message on Raksha Bandhan, anything that you think our viewers should know about. नेहल।
For रक्षाबंधन, I really feel that जो ये भाई बहन का प्यार है ना, वो हमेशा से बना रहना चाहिए। जस्ट बिकॉज कई बार फैमिली में अलग अलग लोगों की वजह से शायद कभी रिश्ते में तनाव आ जाए, बट यू शुड नेवर फॉरगेट द चाइल्डहुड दैट ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स हैव स्पेंट टुगेदर, वेदर इट इज कजिन्स एंड रियल ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स। एंड sibling is somebody whom you grow with throughout your life. Your parents will pass at some time, your life partners will come halfway in your life, but you have been with your sibling right from the time of your birth till you pass. So अगर तुम्हें कोई एक्चुअली ऑब्जर्व करता है जैसे आप ग्रो करते हो, तो वो सिबलिंग ही होता है। सो उनसे हमेशा बनाए रखना चाहिए, और इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप, सो ट्रेजर इट एंड एंजॉय इट।
आशीष, what about you?
तो आई थिंक रक्षाबंधन का जो सिग्निफिकेंस है, जहाँ पे भाई बहन की रक्षा करता है, तो क्या है कि भाई अभी हम लोग 2025 में है, हम लोग मतलब 1000 साल पीछे नहीं है। तो 2025 में जब आप हैं, तो रक्षा करने के जो पहलू हैं, रक्षा करने का जो परिभाषा है, वो बदल गई है। इसीलिए मैंने आपको पहले भी ये बताया कि भाई ब्रदर्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर देयर सिस्टर्स इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट। और अभी के वर्ल्ड में रक्षा का मतलब जो है, वो रियल वर्ल्डली मैटर्स भी हैं इसमें, जैसे सेविंग है, इन्वेस्टिंग है, फाइनेंस है, रिटायरमेंट है, ये सारे पहलू भी इसमें। बिकॉज हम लोग जो जिस वर्ल्ड में है, यहाँ पे मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, यहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स, इन सब चीज़ों का भारी असर पड़ता है हर सबके लाइफ में। अभी हम लोग 1000 साल पीछे तो है नहीं कि भाई यहाँ पे तलवार लेके युद्ध में निकलना है हमको। शायद ऐसा भी कहीं होता होगा दुनिया में, मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, लेकिन अभी के जो रक्षा की जो परिभाषा है, अभी के जो पैरामीटर्स है, वो बदल गए हैं। तो ब्रदर्स नीड टू सी देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन अ मोर होलिस्टिक मैनर। दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड थिंक।
All right, importance of SIP. Ashish, gifting your sister SIP this particular Raksha Bandhan, क्या कहेंगे आप जाते जाते?
जरूर करना चाहिए, जरूर करना चाहिए। देखिए, आई थिंक इट इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड इट इज द बेस्ट गिफ्ट, गिफ्टिंग समबडी देयर फ्यूचर और गिफ्टिंग समबडी अ बेटर फ्यूचर। आई थिंक देयर इज नो बेटर गिफ्ट देन दैट। सो जरूर करना चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड कि रक्षा करने की जो आप परिभाषा है, उसमें फाइनेंस को भी इंक्लूड करिए और महत्व दीजिए उसको भी।
एब्सोल्युटली। अच्छा, एक और चीज आशीष, नेहल ने तो अपनी शिकायत दर्ज करा दी हमारे पास कि आप कॉल नहीं करते। आपकी भी कोई शिकायत है इनसे?
शिकायत ये एक्चुअली मेरा परपेचुअली देखिए क्या होता है कि जब मैं छोटा था तब तो ऑब्वियसली बड़ी बहन है, सेकंड मदर है,
राइट।
उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है।
हाँ।
लेकिन अभी जनरली स्पीकिंग मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं यंगर ब्रदर हूँ, लेकिन क्या है कि इतने साल निकल जाते हैं, फिर वो एज डिफरेंस जो है वो थोड़ा पहले एज डिफरेंस 50% था, अभी एज डिफरेंस केवल 3 साल या 3.25 साल जो भी बचा है।
राइट
तो मैं इनकी बहुत काउंसलिंग करता हूँ, मैं इनको बहुत एडवाइस देता हूँ, एक्चुअली कभी कभी अनसॉलिसिटेड एडवाइस भी देता हूँ। लेकिन कभी कभी ये किसी मैटर को
हाँ।
हमारे बेस्ट रिसर्च एनालिस्ट से भी ज्यादा एनालाइज करती है।
वाओ।
तो मैं इनको बोलता हूँ कि भाई
वाओ।
एनालिसिस मत करो आप।
ओके।
एनालिसिस मत करो, काफी सारी चीजों को लाइफ पे फेस वैल्यू में लो, और हर चीज को एनालाइज करना जरूरी नहीं होता है। Just take things at face value.
Neha, your comment on this?
I don't agree with him. Analysis, he will think it's over analysis. मैंने खाली सोचा बोलते हैं मैंने over analyze कर लिया, तो वो तो हमारी चलती रहती है.
Great. Something I got from this entire conversation. Something that you disagree with him. All right. So I think all right. So I think on that note, I'm going to wrap up this discussion. But thank you so much for taking time out, and Shubh Raksha Bandhan to both of you and to our viewers also. All right, welcome back, and the Rakhi celebrations are still on the Money Show, and now I do not have siblings with me, but I have a financial planner and a stand-up comedian. Now, this combination really might be sounding odd to you, but then guess what? A stand-up comedian wants to know how to gift an SIP to his sister. Let's get them on board and let's figure out as to how can we help him give a financial gift to his sisters. I'm talking about Nisreen Mamaji, Moneyworks Services, who's the financial planner today on the show, and Anand Raman, who's a stand-up comedian. Anand and Nisreen, good evening. Welcome to the show, and thank you so much for joining in on a very, very, very special show of Raksha Bandhan. And Anand, I'm going to begin with you. So how's the preparation going on so far?
Thank you so much for having me. Honestly, Raksha Bandhan is one of the traditions that's near and dear to my heart. And I will say I have two sisters, so it's a very beautiful thing for me. However, I am here today to talk about the unspoken truth. Let's talk about Raksha Bandhan, also known as National Friend Zone Day. To all the boys watching this, I want to give you some advice. If you like her and she messaged you yesterday saying, "Hey, what are you doing tomorrow?" That's not her flirting. That's not a vibe. That's a setup. You're about to get emotionally tired and romantically retired. It is difficult. I'm telling you, this girl I have loved since high school finally called me yesterday. I was so excited. I walked up in my best suit. I was looking like Vindaloo Diesel, just ready to take on anything. She looked at me and she looked like Katrina Kaif. She was beautiful, her hair blowing in the wind. She came up to me and she said, "Anand, I've been thinking about it. I want to tie the knot. And this is not the knot that I had in mind."
Okay. Oh my God. So, okay, so you got bhai zoned. I mean, friend zoned and later on bhai zoned. Is that the right term to call it out?
Here I am thinking I got to the end zone, but it turns out it was the friend zone. I mean, I
Oh
wanted
my
to get
God.
to first base. I wanted to get to first base. Now if I do, I'll catch a case. It's tough.
Very tragic story. Okay, but then what's the lesson learned? That's more important, Anand.
I think the lesson learned is that if you want something, then you have to truly give it out of your heart, out of the kindness of your life. I mean, I wanted to be her soulmate. Instead, she now has me in checkmate. I was after affection, she gave me rejection, and it
Okay.
doesn't stop. I'm not too happy about this just because it's not just one person. This
Okay. So
is
you've got a
what my
series. Oh my
situation
God. So
is
you are a serial
today.
bhai zoner. Can I call you that? Can I just give you that title? Okay.
Yes, 7 Rakis on my wrist, and I have 7 Amazon wish lists. And by the way, just for your information, the women over here, they don't want chocolates. They want Cartier.
Okay, Nisreen, are you understanding the job that he's trying to assign to you?
Yeah, I think I have to also start developing some, comedy kind of lines while
This
I'm.
is comedy. This is just pure pain.
Yeah, we can really sense that. But then, one good thing over here, Anand, I think you're going to stick to your real sisters. Isn't that really good, according to you? I mean, you read this plot twist in your entire story.
Of course, yeah, because my real sisters,
Yeah.
they actually care about me. They want the best for me, and so I've been wanting to gift my sister something for a while. Unfortunately, I have invested most of my money into cryptocurrency, and things are looking up. Mainly my depression, my bank loans, my interest rates. So I don't really have much that I can gift
How
her.
much
So I
have
would
you
love to
lost?
suggest.
What's
I
the
have
amount that
lost
you've
not
lost?
just. Okay, I don't mean to brag, but
Huh.
at one point I owned 120 million Shiba Inu coin. It's now worth 2 rupees and some change. But however,
Ouch.
also lost all of my hair. I've lost all of my job opportunities. I've lost all of my friends. So excited.
Okay, so I just want to ask you who recommended that token to you and why didn't you go for Bitcoin?
I honestly wish I could say the safe answer that I should have done my own research, I should have invested in it. But then someone called me up. He said, "Bro, I have the best business opportunity for you. Trust me, you're gonna make so much money." And
Okay.
I'm taking this call from outside of a cafe right now because I'm homeless. So
I don't think you just need to know financial goods for your sister. I think Nisreen first needs to do your financial planning, and Nisreen, you need to
yes,
take him out
please.
of a lot of debt.
Absolutely, absolutely. Happy to help him.
Okay, so well, we will try to do something about your depression and your anxiety and you being homeless as well. But having said that, let's just first think about your sisters, because if you impress your sisters, they might at least let you live with them. Okay, so you'll get a home over there and a new start maybe. The new start, I
I
think
like
Nisreen can really help you. Yeah, so Nisreen can really help you with that. Nisreen, how to go about it now?
Yeah, sure.
Listen, I just want to, no, 1 second, Nisreen. Anand, do you have money for a 250 rupees SIP, which we call it Chotu SIP? That much you will have, no?
See, when people ask me for 2 rupees for an SIP, I tell them, yeah, I have SIP. It stands for sorry, I'm poor.
You know, this Rakhi, let's just take gifts from your sisters instead of gifting them. Nisreen, that will be a better strategy.
Really, really, so, on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, actually, this is a very, very beautiful, concept to put across because, an SIP for a Raksha Bandhan is not just a financial product. It's a gesture that carries, depth and foresight. Traditionally, this festival is about protection, care, and strengthening, the sibling bond. So, having said that, that SIP fits very well into that sentiment because it's a promise to grow over time, And just like an SIP will keep on compounding, that love, which is an intangible feeling, also will increase over a period of time. So, uh, it's a very, very, it's a concept that goes very well with sibling love. And but whether the goal is, for your sister is, say, maybe purchasing a property, a higher education, starting a business, buying a home, or even building a retirement cushion, the disciplined investment can really make a big difference over a period of time. Now, it's also about empowerment. When you introduce your sister to an SIP, you're giving her a head start in building wealth and instilling the habit of disciplined saving. So you're not just giving her money, actually, you're giving her knowledge, opportunity, confidence, and control over her future. So basically, there's a few things that you have to look into when you start the SIP for your sister. You're looking at financial independence, compounding, and you can, as Kavita rightly said, you can start even with a chota SIP of 250 rupees. But the idea is, how to go about it. So the first thing is, you select the right SIP for your sister, depending on, what her goal is, how far is the tenure going to be. So you select that, the right mutual fund for her, but it can be an equity mutual fund, it could be a hybrid, or it could be a debt, depending on her risk, how basically how far the goal is from her, from the current time. Then, it's nice to have an important, like an overall open discussion with her where you explain the benefits of SIPs and compounding, because you can be investing some part for her, but she can also carry on the journey herself and, increase the amounts maybe for her other goals, or, for this particular goal also, if the amount is higher, she can also share, into the SIP investment. Then, you can set it up for her. So, either you go on the company website, or you go through an advisor, a planner, a distributor who will actually help you with the nitty-gritty of opening the investment
Right,
account, setting up the
right.
mandate, and making sure that the monthly investment is, going through. As far as the
right.
tax implications go,
1 second, Nisreen. I really want to understand. I really want to know how much Anand got it. Anand, did you understood?
Yeah, of course. I mean, I understood. I mean, I'm a genius with these things, you know. So she basically said if I invest 250 rupees, I will get a lot of returns for my sister into mutual funds. And so I would like to ask you, as a beginner, what kind of mutual funds in particular? What would you recommend I invest into?
so that purely depends on the tenure and the risk that you want to take. So if it's like a shorter term kind of a, if you're investing say for 1 year, then we would recommend say an ultra short duration fund or a low duration fund or ultra short term fund, which is 100% kind of a debt, fixed income kind of a product. If the tenure is going up to say up to a year, you can also look at arbitrage product, which is a kind of an
One
equity,
last. I want to end.
or you can
All
go in
right.
for so it depends
Right.
on the
So it can be a lump
Right.
sum investment in fixed income, and it can be an SIP in equity. Nisreen, will that be a right strategy?
Yeah, that would be a lovely strategy also. So you can do
Quickly, can you name the funds? Can you name the funds so that Anand can also note it down, and along with that, all the other viewers
Yes.
who would want to gift an SIP to their
yeah.
sisters?
So as a mutual fund distributor, this would be incremental advice and amphi mutual fund distributor. So you can invest in say an ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund, which is a 100% large cap fund. You can go for a HDFC Flexi Cap Fund or a Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. You can go for a multi cap fund from Nippon. From SBI also you can look at the Flexi Cap Fund. So there are three categories that you can look at, like a large cap fund, a
All
flexi
right. So
cap
there are
fund, and a
category-based
multi-cap fund.
mutual funds that you are recommending. I think we are continuously flashing that on the screen as well, and the same information will be there on our social media platforms as well. But then, to sum it all, Anand, good to go now. Are you ready for your Rakhi gift? You feeling better?
Yes, absolutely. I love the mentioning of caps because as a bald man myself, I really, really enjoy caps. So mutual caps, large caps are really great. And I'm very grateful because I was born and raised in Dubai. And, I haven't known about investing into India a lot, but this is actually giving me a lot because I joined this thing called the Live Up community here in Dubai that helps me live up the dream that is Dubai. And they do a lot of investing as well.
Right.
So I'm definitely going to take them
Right.
back to this. As far as
Right.
investing and gifting for my sister, I think it's an amazing idea. You know, for
Right.
now with these women, they're
Okay.
not getting any of my gifts,
Okay, so
but
I
this,
just hope my
God bless
time
you
is
guys.
actually
So,
up. My time is actually up. I need to really wrap up this particular segment. But thank you so much for taking time out today and participating. And next time when we meet, let's just catch you up in your mansion, Anand. Thank you so much, both of you. And with that, it's a wrap on the show as well. Thank you so much for watching and happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone. Goodbye.